Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to download Xaman wallet. Now if you're using an Android device, you can simply get it from Google Play Store. iOS device, you get it from the App Store, Apple App Store. So I'm getting it from Google Play Store. Simply go there, tap on the search bar, type in Xaman wallet, and then here it is. Tap on it, and then you can tap on install. Xaman wallet this is what it's all about. You can see it here. It's a custodian wallet with superpowers for XRP Ledger and Zahoo. So it's easy and fast, has multi-currency payment requests and transaction. You can use multiple accounts, you can hold, spend, and trade all tokens. It is super safe. Was formerly known as Zoom, XUMM. Now it is Xaman. So it has the card. You can get the best of both worlds using Xaman and Tangem wallet cards. So it has third-party tools and apps also. It can interact with these tools over here. You can see it, and then you can exchange anything for anything using the DX part of it. It has detailed transaction information, and sending value is just too easy. So what are you waiting for? Tap on the install and get started. Hope you found this video helpful.